Do it, baby.
Adams, up here, on this side. Really quickly, guys, come in and touch him up, okay? Let's go. All right, here we go, guys. You're going to kick the ball. Which way do you want to kick today? So turn your backs the other way, guys. Face the other way, gentlemen.
Coach, 7-6 at the half, man. We had some takeaways, but we didn't convert them.
Yeah, we got to protect our quarterback. Our quarterback is getting his butt kicked. We got to get the ball out of his hands a lot quicker and just do things to get the ball in the hands of the playmakers. I don't feel like we're blocking anyone right now, but defensively we're doing a great job. Losing Shiloh was a tremendous loss. He's a leader back there and an enforcer back there. So next man up. We got to put the next man in and he got to do his job.
What's your message at halftime?
It's now. 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 We ain't got tomorrow. It's now.
Cheer him on! We've got 5 seconds to go. Congratulations, Griffin. You are going home with a pair of round 2 tickets right over at the table here. That's
Halftime speech is on you, Rick. Just keep on. I'll give you the middle. cut the camera down.
Hollywood ass shit.
Good ball, bro.
I feel like I'm 40 years old, man.
You all right, baby?
Coach Brian,
Yeah, baby.
fourth quarter's here.
Yeah.
Bruins 14, Colorado Buffaloes 9.
Listen, baby, it's clear that we cannot beat ourselves. We have to work hard to get far, baby. You know what I'm saying? We simply have to open the book, take a second look, okay, and acknowledge the crook. And the thing is, baby, my team can do it. My team has the dream. My team has the scheme. We simply cannot beat ourselves. We have to open the book on the shelf, baby. We can't be nobody else. We have to be ourselves. So, we all know the call on Shiloh. That was not right. We all know Travis always gonna have the ball in sight. And we know Shador can do it in day and night, baby. And we gotta stay fly like a kite, baby. And God gonna always keep us right, baby. So it's pretty simple. We gotta go out there and pop UCLA like a pimple. And we have to simply just make sure that we stay deep. Like Lauren London's dimple. Do you feel me, baby? That's what we gotta do, though. But we don't do it, though, because we only down by 6, baby.
Only down by 6.
And we can come back with a Travis Hunter pick, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
I can
Come on,
feel
now. I'm gonna get on out of here.
I couldn't hold it in. I couldn't hold it in. Brother, what you been up to since last? I think the last we talked was Jackson State down in Alabama.
Jackson State down in Alabama, yeah. It was Mobile, Alabama.
Yeah.
When y'all beat Alabama State, it was great. They was down there, and they came back.
Sure did.
Because when you led by such a great coach like Coach Prime, you know what I'm saying, you can come back at any time. You know, I rhyme right now. I wasn't even trying to. I was being myself. But, you know, Coach Prime, he done it already. You know what I'm saying? He in the Hall of Fame, all that. So I can't think of a better leader for these dudes to come back. Because that's, you know, life, you always going to have something come against you. They can come back. 6 points, that's nothing. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. So I believe in the team. You know?
Man, you've been doing so much. Million subscribers and followers.
Yeah.
See you on Wendy's commercials.
Yeah.
Life is good.
Yeah, it's been great. Wendy's, I done did forward with them. A lot of great things coming. Some big stuff coming. I'm gonna talk to you about it in a second, some surprises, but you know, we're doing our social media thing, just getting to it, you know what I'm saying? Taking care of the fam, all that, you know?
I go to Wendy's a lot just because of you.
Yeah, okay, you get the nacho cheeseburger.
I got to have it.
Hey, he just made me some money right there.
Hey, much love, man.
Big
Appreciate
shout out
it.
to you though, like it's always great being around you, seeing you, you doing your thing too, so it's great, all love, you know? Shout out to your boy too behind the camera. What's his name?
Arcade.
Shout out to RK. You know what I'm saying? It's all love, man.
All love, man. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem, dog. Y'all keep this shit true. I'm about to sit up.
Yeah. All right, JD, tough road loss. The yards given up really weren't indicative of the defense. You guys played lights out all game.
Defense played pretty well. We just been working all week on it, and shoot, we came out and showed what we can really do on defense. Like, I'm proud of them boys. They fought hard. They fought to the last whistle, so I love it. Like, we just know what we need to work on now, just keep it pushing. But as for defense and everybody just working and going out there and putting their pride on the line and everything, I love it. There's not much more we could ask for.
I saw your unit huddled up over there, man. Pretty emotional moment. What do you take away from that going for the rest of the season?
We understand that with our coach is very passionate. Coach Williams is very passionate. And if we mess up something, he's going to be on us. He's going to crucify us about that. But what we need to do is be able to lock each other in our arms and make sure we know, hey, coach is going to be on your head because that's the passion he brings to the game. He wants you to be great. He knows what he expects from you. So when we can lock arms around each other and be there for each other and make sure everybody knows, look, we're not going to let you just go down after one bad play. We're going to pick your head up. We're going to let you rise. But it ain't over until it's over, you know? So just making sure everybody understands that mentality and that mindset, because we're going to get chewed out. That's what it is in football. But when you can get past that chewing out and just be able to just keep it going and just not get lost in just the thought of everything, that's when we're really going to be great. And that's what we were over there trying to help each other out with, just making sure everybody stayed in the game, stayed focused, and stayed locked in.
Love,
Coach.
Good. Not good at all.
Coach Martin Jarman. Nice to meet you, brother. I'm so proud of what you're doing, man. You're doing a whole lot for everybody. Try. You ever need anything? No, seriously, man. Yeah, he good dude. Yeah. He is. Best of luck rest of the year, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
Carrot top. You know you look like somebody. Who do they say? Jack Black. Jack Black. Another dude though. Oh, it's another dude. Jack Black and somebody else, right? I'm thinking of it. No, I think we're gonna go together. Look at Florida.
Yeah, dude.
He says about 100 yards. They're going to make a left and go down probably.
Let me out first. Let me out.